My video is about removing fake browser update alerts that come from the site Dt69sx.xyz. If you see these pop-ups on your computer screen, then obviously it is dangerous to interact with these pop-ups. Their mission is to force customers into downloading certain unwanted extension. There may be some other versions of these pop-ups claiming to be some required browser or software update, but in reality, interacting with these pop-ups is very dangerous, so do not install anything that they suggest. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly added into your Google Chrome browser, make sure to undertake the measures to remove the unwanted extensions. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, then choose Extensions. So now you need to disable and delete any third-party extensions which you might find here. You also probably have noticed some strange pop-ups to attack Google Chrome browser. Some of these pop-ups are very filthy and display pretty filthy content. If you see these pop-ups, you also should implement some browser fixes. Go to the menu Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go down to Permissions and click on Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications, and if you find some malicious sites here, you need to get rid of them. To make sure that the system is free of other hidden threats, I strongly advise researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and begin researching your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.